Welcome to the Explainer. Tired of repetitive invoicing? Let's dive right into automating your cash flow.
Seriously, are you still manually billing clients for the exact same amount every single month?
Listen, that isn't accounting. That's just exhausting copy-paste cardio. We gotta stop doing that.
The fix? Recurring invoices. Zoho Books literally creates and sends them automatically on a fixed schedule. This is absolutely perfect for predictable stuff, rent, software subscriptions, or regular consultancy retainers.
The perks? Massive. You save time, dodge missed bills, lock in cash flow, and look super professional.
All right, let's actually build this. It's a ridiculously simple 6-step setup.
First up, hop over to Sales, hit Reoccurring Invoices, and click New. Super easy, right?
Second step, just pick your customer's name straight from your existing list.
Step 3, plug in the details. Add your product, the quantity, rate, and of course, GST.
Fourth, set the rhythm. Does this repeat weekly, monthly, yearly? You make the call.
Step 5, set your dates. Pro tip, definitely use never expires for your rock-solid long-term clients. Finally, just click Save. You literally just train Zoho to build these completely on autopilot.
Okay, let's ground this with a real example. Imagine a monthly retainer for ABC traders.
Their 10,000 rupee fee plus GST automatically crunches out to exactly 11,800. The real magic here? Zoho handles all that grunt work, generating it perfectly every single month.
No alarms needed. Absolutely no panic billing. So, are you finally ready to automate your cash flow?